you want to rank higher in Google and have better conversion rates, then you're going to want to hear about this new strategy I'm about to tell you about right now, which is the Ignite AI Content Gap Filler. It's a really easy strategy, but if you implement it correctly, you're going to have higher conversion rates and you're also going to rank better in Google. Let's take a look. So the first step is you want to find the 3 highest ranking pages in Google around a specific term. Next, you're going to take those URLs or the content on the page and you're going to ask ChatGPT 4 to crawl all of those pages and analyze all the content. As a next step, you want to ask ChatGPT 4 to identify the differences in content between the 3 highest ranking pages in Google and the page that you have on your website that you're trying to get ranked for that same term. Ask ChatGPT 4 to create an outline for you for all the content that you need to create to fill in the gaps on your own page. As a final step, do a bonus and say, what can I do that would make it even better, and put it over the top. Now that you have all this information, put all the AI stuff aside and bring in a really great editor, a really great writer, and somebody who really understands the subject. When you are putting together the content for your page, you're going to want to make sure you think about experience, expertise, authority, and trust. EEAT. These are the things Google cares the most about. You're going to create a whole new template, all new content for your page. Make sure you're filling the gaps with the process from the Ignite AI Content Gap Filler. And if you do this, you're probably going to rank a lot better in Google. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave me a comment. I always appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.